we are about to conclude our session 4, which is about digital transformation and emerging technologies. Before concluding the session, I would request Professor Dr. Irfan Haider, Session Chair and Vice Chancellor of Salim Habib University, to give brief highlights of the session and takeaways from the session. Yes,
so one of the things that come to my mind in just going over all of these, and I think it's a very important part, is the AI ethics part of it. I recall there were 3 rules. Isaac Asimov, if you remember, 1952 की उसकी किताब है जिसके अंदर I Robot, जिसके ऊपर फिल्म बनी थी अभी 2002 में, विल स्मिथ वाली. And his books talk about 3 rules of how robots, intelligent robots, should behave. But when I look at what is happening in educational institutions and everywhere, and people, and the emergence of AGI, artificial general intelligence, which people are predicting maybe 2 years to 10 years, which I think is quite further than that, but anyhow, there is this hype, and we from IT sector are very good in developing and pumping up these hypes. So we all remember the .com bubble and data science bubble and whatnot, cloud bubble and so on and so forth. So this may be another bubble. But what is important for us, for me as a head of an educational institution and involved for the last 30 years, what is the essence of education? Historically, for the last several thousand years, education is about differentiating between what is true and false. क्या झूठ है, क्या सच है? And the second important part of education is what is good and what is evil. यानी कि एक एजुकेटेड आदमी को झूठ और सच के अंदर तमीज करनी आनी चाहिए और अच्छाई और बुराई में तमीज करनी आनी चाहिए. एक और तीसरा है वो इस पर I'll not go over it. It's between ugliness and beauty, aesthetic part of it. But anyhow, let's just keep on the 2 part of it. And I think AI today has miserably failed in those 2 areas. There is no way you can find out what is there on the net, whether it's a clickbait, is a truth or is false. And the result we are seeing, we are actually going it right now. वो जो चचा ट्रम्प हैं और उनके इतने सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं और वो जो lie which was fed to him and which he believed, and he started thinking that tariffs is going to solve all the problems and will make America great again. So we are just seeing the demise of those lies, but it's a very heavy cost. So the social media which has generated using this AI, there is no way, I don't think so, it can differentiate between what is truth and what is false. And we just saw, and I'll connect it with because Dr. Majda Azmi very eloquently and very beautifully explained the dependence of the output of an AI system on the data which is garbage in, garbage out. ये आज से 70 साल पहले से ये बात बड़ी पुरानी है. And AI today, at least the large language models, is just fancy text completion. वो जो हम डालते हैं ना Google सर्च के अंदर, तो एक वर्ड डालते हैं वो अगला 2-3 बिल्कुल सही ले आता है, ठीक है ना. तो वो जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसको AI है, उसकी of course more fancy. But to me, major issue is that our people have stopped thinking. अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल कर पहले चैट जीपीटी से पूछेंगे, ठीक है ना, या पहले डीपसीक से पूछेंगे. मतलब the tendency to actually, यानी कि इंसान ने अपना दिमाग ही देखें हम, वो तो हम सब ने नोट किया है. मैं I'll just take 2-3-4 minutes to highlight. पहले तो हम फोन नंबर भूल गए सबके, अब घर के पते भी भूल गए. And I know people who are going daily from their home to various places. उनसे घर का पता पूछो and they cannot guide you. उस घर में जहाँ रोजाना जा रहे हैं, उनसे पूछे कि भाई कहाँ है, खड़े हैं, नहीं वो तो वो भेजें, पिन भेज देंगे, ये भेज देंगे, लेकिन आपको बताएं कि मैं यहाँ खड़ा हुआ हूँ, इधर से बता दो कितने हैं, 2 गली इधर जाके और दाएं मुड़कर और बाएं पहुँच जाओगे, तो ये कैपेसिटी भी है. And I have actually personally seen the students with that urgency to just go and ask it. It's too much dependence. Sometimes I think, yes, with too much dependence on AI, तो इसका मतलब है फ्यूचर में किस चीज की सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू? हाँ, अब तमाम वो चीजें जो AI नहीं कर सकता उसकी सबसे ज्यादा है. जो AI करता वो तो सब लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन जो AI नहीं कर सकता वो हमें सीखना पड़ेगा. And I think that is the interesting thing which I have been grappling with for the past now 10 years now, 10-15 years, that all this dependence on technology may actually create severe problems. क्योंकि सच और झूठ में तमीज वो नहीं कर सकता, और ड्रम जैसा आदमी ऊपर बैठा हो तो वो बटन दबाने में उसने देर नहीं करती. ठीक है, and it's so easy to fake everything. There's no picture, there's no movie, there's no still, nothing which can verify what is out there. So that is one of the challenges, and it's interesting also to look at all those 5 different areas in which the speakers actually talked about, and AI cannot help in any one of those. Yes, किसी चीज को आसान कर देता है, फास्ट कर देता है, सिंपल कर देता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर दिमाग तो अपना ही लगाना पड़ता है अगर हम जो बनाने वाला है सिस्टम. So yes, people may disagree with me. I know there is this threat or the promise of artificial general intelligence where they will be thinking like us, but important thing for us is whether we as humans will be able to think or not. इसके अंदर एक I will refer to a very interesting animation movie, Wall-E. अगर आपने देखा हो, बच्चों की कार्टून फिल्म है, उसके अंदर what will happen when people will stop using their mind and their bodily functions also, because everything is coming automatically to them, so when they lose their ability to perform various things. So that's an interesting area, but this is the brave new world, and we are living in 1984. आप समझते होंगे वो किताब जॉर्ज ऑरवेल वाली, ऑरवेलियन वर्ल्ड, and we are seeing in front of us things that were written down about 70 years ago of what is going to come in this dystopian